Kasambahay at driver, may 13th month pay din? Good question, ma'am. Sige po, may good answer tayo. Please watch the full video. Of course, ma'am, may 13th month pay ang mga kasambahay. Under Republic Act 10361 po yan. Or Batas Kasambahay. Section 25 po yan, Payment of Wages, basahin natin. Payment of wages shall be made on time directly to the domestic worker to whom they are due in cash at least once a month. The employer, unless allowed by the domestic worker, through a written consent, shall make no deductions from the wages other than that which is mandated by law. No employer shall pay the wages of a domestic worker by means of promissory notes, vouchers, coupons, tokens, tickets, cheats, or any object other than the cash wage as provided for under this act. The domestic worker is entitled to a 13th month pay as provided for by law. Ayan, very clear po sa last sentence. May 13th month pay po si kasambahay. And yung sweldo niya, dapat cash po yan. Hindi pwede promissory note, voucher, or coupons, or any other things. Pera po ang sweldo or cash. At binibigay po yan once a month. Sa mga driver din po, may 13th month pay siya if company driver po at personal driver po ito na may buwan ng sweldo. Ang wala pong 13th month pay na driver is yung driver na arawan ang sweldo. Wala po yan siyang 13th month pay. Kasi po wala pong employer-employee relationship if I'm not mistaken. Ayan po. So, thank you for watching this video. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.